Okay, so now I am actually right next to the gate, and right about there was where I was doing the first part of this video. What you see right here is the gate, and a tow might be coming upstream, and then those gates would be open, allowing you to come into the lock right here. And lock, think like Scottish lock, a small lake that is artificial, and a boat of really any size can come in here just like that. The gates are open, allowing him to enter. He comes in, those gates will close, he will tie up and not move, and the water level here will drop down, because right now with those gates open, the water is the same level in the lock as it is in the reservoir behind that dam. As the water drops out, eventually those gates will open. That small watercraft will now be at the same level as the reservoir below the dam, because most of the Mississippi River is reservoir after reservoir, and you just basically stair-step your way down the Mississippi River. So that's the way a lock and dam works. This is lock and dam number 7, which means that there are 6 above this until you get to Minneapolis, St. Paul, and right down there is the Mississippi, the I-90 bridge.